So question 1 asks you to expand 5r cubed bracket 6r to the power of 5 plus 2. So we multiply 5 to 6, so we get 30. Then remember, this is r cubed multiplied by r to the power of 5. So this is loss of indices, so we're just going to add the powers. So you get r to the power of 8. So it's 30r to the power of 8. And then you do multiplication again. So 5 times 2 is plus 10r cubed. Second question, you asked to expand 4x minus 4, 3x minus 3. So again, you expand your bracket. So 3 times 4 is 12. X squared. Then you do 4x multiplied by minus 3, which is minus 12x. Then you do minus 4 multiplied by 3x, which is minus 12x. Then you do minus 4 multiplied by minus 3, which is plus 12. Then you simplify it to get 12x squared minus 24x plus 12. Question 3, again you asked to expand this. So 2x minus 4 to the power of 3. This just means 2x minus 4, 2x minus 4, 2x minus 4. Then we're just going to expand the first two brackets. So 2x multiplied by 2x is equals to 4x squared. 2x multiplied by minus 4 is minus 8x. Minus 4 times 2x is minus 8x. Minus 4 multiplied by minus 4 is plus 16. Simplify this part, you get 4x squared minus 16x plus 16. Then we got 2x minus 4. Then we're going to expand our brackets again. So I have 4x squared multiplied by 2x. That gave me 8x cubed. 4x squared multiplied by minus 4 is minus 16x squared. Minus 16x multiplied by 2x is minus 32x squared. Minus 16x multiplied by minus 4 is plus 64x. Then you have plus 16 multiplied by 2, which is plus 32x. Then plus 16 multiplied by minus 4 is minus 64. Then just going to simplify it. I have 8x cubed minus 48x squared plus 96x minus 64. Question 4, we're asked to factorize 63 I to the power of 6, I to the power of 6, plus 18I squared, I squared. So firstly, I'm going to look at the numbers 63 and 18. The highest common factor I can take out is 9. Then I'm looking at the part here. So again, so what is the power of loss of indices? I can rewrite this as, let's just rewrite this. So I can write this as 63I12 plus 18I4. Then looking at the highest common factor, which is going to be 9. Then looking at our letters, I can take out I4, bracket, I got 9 times 7, give me 63. Then I remember loss of indices, we do 4 plus 8 give us 12, so then plus 2. Question 5. I have x squared minus x minus 72. So we need two numbers, multiply, give me minus 72, and add, give me minus 1. So 2 brackets. So you can use trial and error. You should have x plus 8 and x minus 9. Remember, if the question only asks you to factorize, you stop at here. You don't need to solve the equation. 6, you have 3 squared plus 13m minus 30. So again, some of you might use trial and error. So you got your 2 brackets. So remember, this is prime number, so you have 3m and m. Then 2 numbers multiply give you minus 30, so you can try out the combinations. And you get minus 5 or plus 6. And remember the other method, which I told you the other day, which is that our a is equals to 3, b is equals to 13, c is equals to minus 30. So we do a multiplied by c, which is minus 90. So we want to find out factors of minus 90, and that's add to give you plus 13. And you can try some combinations, such as if I have 9 and 10, minus 9 and minus 10, they don't add up to give you 13, then you try another pair. So you could try 3 and 30, minus 3 and minus 30, that doesn't work. Then you just keep trying them out. So you could try 15 and 6. That doesn't work either. So you can try another one. You can try 5 and 18, give you 90. Then so we can have minus 5. We need plus 30, so we have plus 18 minus 5. So let's do this. So I can split this 13m into minus 5 and plus 18. So I have 3m squared minus 5m plus 18m minus 30. So remember, you split it into 2. Factorize the first part. I got m bracket 3m minus 5. And here I can take out 6. So 3m minus 5. So I have m plus 6 and 3m minus 5. So it works both ways. Question 7. So it actually has to solve. So I have 7x plus 4 divided by 6 plus 2x plus 9 over 4 equals to 4. Okay, remember when we're adding fractions, we want to find the common denominator. So here, a common denominator would be 12. So I'm going to pick 12 as my common denominator. So 6 times 2 give me 12, so I need to multiply this by 2 on the top as well. So 4 times 3 give me 12, so on the top I need to multiply by 3. So remember this 4, it just means 4 over 1. Now I multiplied the bottom by 12, so I need to multiply the top by 12. So as we can see here, we're just solving the equation to find out x. So I can see that my denominator is the same, so I'm only going to solve my numerator. So I have 2 brackets 7x plus 4 plus 3 2x plus 9 is equals to 48. So I can solve for x because my denominator is the same, so I'm only going to look at my numerator. So expand your bracket, I have 14x plus 8 plus 6x plus 27. Simplify it, I have 20x plus 35 equals to 48. I have 20x equals to 48 minus 35 is 13. So my x is 13 over 20. I think question 8 is the hardest question out of the 10. So you have 3 over x plus 5 plus 3 over 3x plus 3 equals to 1. So again, when we adding fractions, we want to have the same, a common denominator. So here, my common denominator is going to be x plus 5, 3x plus 3. So on the top, I multiply the 3 by 3x plus 3 and 3x plus 5. So remember this one just means 1 over 1. So this becomes x plus 5, 3x plus 3. So I want to have a common denominator when I adding fractions. So here, x plus 5, so multiply the bottom by 3. I multiply the bottom by 3x plus 3, so I multiply the top by 3x3. Here, I multiply the bottom by 5 plus 5, so I multiplied the top by x plus 5. So to have a common denominator in here, multiply the bottom by this, so I multiply the top by this. As we can see here, the bottom is the same, so we can ignore our denominator, so we're just going to look at our numerators. So I have 3 brackets 3x plus 3 plus 3x plus 5 equals to x plus 5, 3x plus 3. Expand our bracket, 9x plus 9 plus 3x plus 15. Expand our bracket again, 3x squared plus 3x plus 15x plus 15. Simplify it, I have 12x plus 24, 3x squared plus 18x plus 15. So moving everything to one side of the equation. So I have 3x squared. So moving the 12x minus 12x on both sides, I have plus 6x. Then minus 24 on both sides, I have minus 9. Because we're solving this time, we can actually divide the whole equation by 3. And we can solve either quadratic, factorize, have 1 and 3. It's going to be minus 1 plus 3. So I have x minus 1 equals 0, or x plus 3 equals to 0. So my x could be 1, or x could be minus 3. Question 9. So I want to make x the subject. So I have cube root of x plus 6y equals 3. So the opposite of cube root is cubed. So I'm going to cube both sides. So 3 cubed is 27. Then x equals to 27 minus 6y. Question 10. Again, make x the subject. I have 4 equals to 2y plus 8x over xy. Multiply both sides by xy. So I want to get rid of my denominator when I'm rearranging. Because I want to make x the subject, so I'm going to rearrange to make x on the same side. So I have 4xy minus 8x equals to 2y. Now my x is on one side, so I'm going to, remember I'm making x the subject, so I only want x outside the bracket. So I have 4y minus 8 equals to 2y. Then my x, remember this is x multiply the bracket, so it's just going to be, the opposite of multiply is divide. So 2y divided by 4y minus 8. Some of you did even better, you factorize out. So I have 2y over 2 bracket 2y minus 4. And you can simplify it to get to y equals to 2y minus 4.